Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Nepali with Barsha. I am Barsha, your Nepali language tutor. Today I am back with session on body parts. Today I will teach you different body parts and I will help you to use these body parts in sentences. Before moving on to the lesson, if you are new in our channel, do not forget to subscribe it, and if you want to support us, please visit our Patreon page. Now, without any delay, let's move on to our lesson, which is body parts. In Nepali, it is Sharirka Angaharu. Sharirka Angaharu. Sharir means body. Ko changes to ka because we are doing the plural. Angaharu, the Angaharu, which means organ, is in the plural form. So whenever we are using the plural noun in our sentence, we use ka instead of ko, which means of in English. Sharir ka angaharu. Sharir ka angaharu. Let's begin with the first body part, head, which means टाउको. 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 टाउको, head. Let's use this word in our sentence. मेरो टाउको दुख्यो. मेरो टाउको दुख्यो. I have a headache. Whenever we are using I have, also we use the same possession form of I, that is मेरो, which also means my. मेरो. But here, मेरो means I have. So I have a headache. मेरो टाउको दुख्यो. Tauko means head and dukhyo means hurts. So you can also say my head hurts or I have a headache. Mero tauko dukhyo. Mero tauko dukhyo. Mero tauko dukhyo. I have a headache. Moving on to the next. Let's learn how to say hair in Nepali. Kapal. Kapal. Kapal, hair. हरेक बिहान म कपाल कोर्छु. Here, हरेक बिहान means every morning. म means I, kapal means hair, and कोर्छु means comb. So, हरेक बिहान म कपाल कोर्छु. Please follow after me. हरेक बिहान म कपाल कोर्छु. हरेक बिहान म कपाल कोर्छु. Every morning I comb my hair. Moving on to the next. Face. The exact word for face is anuhar, but the local people also uses mukh for face. Anuhar means face, mukh means mouth, but some people while speaking locally you can find using mukh as face. But let's use here the exact Nepali word for face, which is anuhar. 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 Anuhar, face. Ma mero anuhar tunchu. Ma mero anuhar tunchu. Here ma means I, mero means my, anuhar means face, Tunchu means was. Ma mero anuhar tunchu. Ma mero anuhar tunchu. Ma mero anuhar tunchu. I wash my face. Next word is eye, which means akha. 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 I. तपाईको आँखा ठुलो छ. तपाईको आँखा ठुलो छ. Here, तपाईको means your, आँखा means eye, ठुलो means big, छ means are. Your eyes are big. तपाईको आँखा ठुलो छ. तपाईको आँखा ठुलो छ. तपाईको आँखा ठुलो छ. Your eyes are big. Moving on to the next, let's learn how to say eyebrows in Nepali. This word is very useful for girls. Eyebrow means आँखी भौँ. आँखी भौँ. आँखी भौँ. आँखी भौँ. Eyebrows. You can also hear some people saying आँखी भुई in Nepal. So do not get confused. आँखी भौँ or आँखी भुई is same word. Suppose you need to go to the beauty parlor for threading. You can say मेरो आँखी भौँ threading गरिदिनुस् न. मेरो आँखी भौँ threading गरिदिनुस् न. मेरो आँखी भुई threading गरिदिनुस् न. Here, मेरो means my, आँखी भौँ means eyebrow, and threading गर्नु means to do threading. So you are asking, please help me to do threading of my eyebrows. Yes, मेरो आँखी भौँ threading गरिदिनुस् न. Let's learn how to say ear now. It's कान. 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 Ear. उसले कान छेडेको छ. Here, उसले means he, कान means ears, छेडेको छ means has pierced. He has pierced his ears. उसले कान छेडेको छ. Please follow after me. उसले कान छेडेको छ. उसले कान छेडेको छ. He has pierced his ears. Let's learn another body part, which is nose, nack, 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 nose. Let's do the sentence of nack. उसले नाकमा फुली लगाएको छ. Here, उसले means he, नाकमा means on his nose, फुली means nose, लगाएको छ means to put on nose pin. So he has a nose pin on his nose is उसले नाकमा फुली लगाएको छ. Wearing nose pin is the culture here in Nepal. उसले नाकमा फुली लगाएको छ. उसले नाकमा फुली लगाएको छ. Moving on to the next, the word for mouth is मुख. 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 Mouth. Let's make the sentence of मुख. मलाई पानी दिनुस् न. मेरो मुख सुक्खा भयो. Here, मलाई पानी दिनुस् न means please give me water. And मेरो means my, मुख means mouth, सुक्खा भयो is dry. So please give me water, my mouth is dry. In Nepali, you can say as मलाई पानी दिनुस् न, मेरो मुख सुक्खा भयो. मलाई पानी दिनुस् न, मेरो मुख सुक्खा भयो. मलाई पानी दिनुस् न, मेरो मुख सुक्खा भयो. Please give me water, my mouth is dry. Next word is दाँत, which means teeth. दाँत. 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 teeth. म दिनको 2 पटक दाँत माझ्छु. Here म means I, दिनको means a day, 2 patak means twice. Whenever we count 1 time, 2 time, we use patak. So here twice means 2 patak, daat means teeth, and machu means brush. I brush teeth twice a day, or I brush my teeth twice a day. म दिनको 2 पटक दाँत माझ्छु. म दिनको 2 पटक दाँत माझ्छु. म दिनको 2 पटक दाँत माझ्छु. I brush my teeth twice a day. Next word is khati, which means neck. Khati. Khati, khati, neck. Let's learn how to say my neck hurts. Mero khati dukhyo. Here mero means my, khati means neck, dukhyo means hurts. My neck hurts. Mero khati dukhyo. Mero khati dukhyo. Mero khati dukhyo. My neck hurts. Next part of the body is kath, which means shoulder. Shoulder. Usko kath ठुलो छ. Usko kath ठुलो छ. Here, usko means his. We use usko for mid form, medium form for the younger one. Kath means shoulder, and in ठुलो छ means are big. So his shoulders are big. उसको काँध ठुलो छ. उसको काँध ठुलो छ. उसको काँध ठुलो छ. His shoulders are big. His shoulders are big. Moving on to the next. It is pakura, which means arms. Pakura. Pakura. Pakura, arms. उसले उसको पाखुरामा खोप लगायो. Here, उसले means he, usko means his, पाखुरामा means on arm, खोप लगाउनु means to get vaccine. He has got his vaccine on his arms. उसले उसको पाखुरामा खोप लगायो. उसले उसको पाखुरामा खोप लगायो. उसले उसको पाखुरामा खोप लगायो. He has got his vaccine on his arm. Some people in the city might also say vaccine लगाउनु instead of खोप लगाउनु. खोप लगाउनु is exact Nepali word, but nowadays Nepali people mix English word to speak, so you can also hear people from the city saying vaccine लगाउनु. Next, hands. Hands means हात, 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 हात. Hands. उहाँले खाना खानु अघि हात धुनुहुन्छ. Here, उहाँ means he. खाना means food. खानु अघि means before eating. And हात means hand. धुनुहुन्छ means wash. So he washes his hand before eating food. उहाँले खाना खानु अघि हात धुनुहुन्छ. उहाँले खाना खानु अघि हात धुनुहुन्छ. उहाँले खाना खानु अघि हात धुनुहुन्छ. He washes his hand before eating. If you are confused while using before with the verb, you can always go back to my video on conjunction. I will leave the description below and you will be more clear about how to use before as conjunction in sentence. Now moving on to the next, let's do fingers in Nepali. Fingers means औंला. औंला, औंला, औंला. Fingers. उसको औंला सानो छ. उसको औंला सानो छ. उसको means his, औंला means fingers, सानो छ means are short. His fingers are short. So here in English we express as his fingers are short, but when you translate it to Nepali, the sentence becomes his fingers are small. We don't use the exact short word, rather we use the small. So the sentence in Nepali is उसको औंला सानो छ. उसको औंला सानो छ. उसको औंला सानो छ. His fingers are short. Next word is stomach, which means पेट. Belly also means पेट. Stomach also means पेट. मेरो पेट भरियो. Here, मेरो means my, पेट means stomach, Bhariyo means is full. Mero pet bhariyo. My stomach is full. Mero pet bhariyo. Mero pet bhariyo. My stomach is full. Moving on to the next, let's do legs, which means khutta, 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 legs. Let's use this word in sentence. Timro khutta lamo cha. Timro khutta lamo cha. Here timro means your, khutta means legs, lamo cha means are long. Timro khutta lamo cha. Your legs are long. Timro khutta lamo cha. Timro khutta lamo cha. R in Nepali means chan, but normally while speaking your legs are long, we don't use timro khutta lamo chan. Instead we use timro khutta lamo cha, because here timro, the word timro possession, whenever we use the possession, the verb is always used in the singular form. So timro khutta lamo cha. Your legs are long. And the last word for today's session is पाउ, which means foot. उसको पाउमा चोट लागेको छ. उसको पाउमा चोट लागेको छ. उसको means his, पाउमा means on foot, चोट लागेको छ means is wounded. So उसको पाउमा चोट लागेको छ, which means his foot is wounded or he has a wound on his foot. उसको पाउमा चोट लागेको छ. उसको पाउमा चोट लागेको छ. उसको पाउमा चोट लागेको छ. Dear students, I have used here a lot of present perfect tense. If you are confused in eko cha form in the verb, please go back to the video to learn the tense, because in Nepali language we use a lot of perfect tense, whether it is present perfect or past perfect or future perfect. We tend to use a lot of perfect tense in our daily life. I will give all the links to my videos on the description box. Do not forget to go back to the video and practice present perfect, past perfect. So with this, we are on the end of our session. I hope you enjoyed today's class. If you have any comment, please do not forget to leave a comment below. And if you enjoy this video, please give a like. With this, thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Bye bye.